Okay, 3, 2, 1. She got 0 hours again. Don't worry, honey. Maybe she'll be luckier tomorrow. You guys look, Giselle got 0 hours again. Wow, she's such a loser. Tell me about it. I would hate to be her. Excuse me, I'm new here. Can I sit with you? Don't even bother with her. She can't hear you. She has 0 hours. Hello? I wrote you a note. Whoa, you've never been able to hear? That's crazy. I have a question. Your wish would be to hear? Good morning, Mom. Good morning, honey. Wait, I can hear.